These are my favorite mouse pads. Some people don't get very excited by mouse pads. I do. Maybe because I'm some kind of psycho. I've gone with the ultra thin form factor Razer mouse pad. All right, so check out this ultra. So you have your 35-inch mouse pad. I raise you ultra thin form factor mouse pad. This is it, the Razer mouse pad. Do you see how thin and how tight it is? I love it, man. And look at the colors on that. It looks like an RGB light in a mouse pad. And do you see how ultra thin form factor it is? Look at this. It's almost so thin that it's not actually in our dimension of three-dimensional physics. Do you see how thin it is? Seriously. It's almost like one atom thick right there. Like you can't even see the edge of it. Look, I'm trying to see the edge of it. You can't even see it. You know in school, those thought experiments they do of like, what would it be like to be 2D versus 3D? This is almost a 2D mouse pad. That's how thin it is. Isn't that insane? I love this mouse pad, man. It is like the flattest form factor mouse pad I've ever seen. I love it so much. I bought 2 of them. There's another one right there. I bought 2 of these things. Check it out. And if you want to, you can remove it by lifting up the edge. It's got little stickies underneath. See? And then you can just stick it down on your desk like that. Oh, so nice, right? It basically looks like an RGB light in the form of a mouse pad. Oh yeah, it's got adhesive. And by the way, I moved it from one studio to the other. I just pulled up the adhesive. Yeah, it's like totally stuck on the desk there. I pulled up the adhesive, I put it in a Ziploc bag. I brought it over to my new studio and went, poof. And as you can see, it is like perfectly on the desk. Literally one atom thick. So if you want a really thin form factor mouse pad, this is it right here, dude. I love it so much. I love it so much I touch these mouse pads every day while I'm using my mouse. As you should do with your mouse pad. This is it right here. And it's got the little tag on the side, the little Razer tag on the side. And so you can peel up the edge of that little tag and then move it around, right? Smaller mouse pads move around too much? Nuh-uh. Not this one. This one moves around not at all. Adhesive all along the bottom. Bam, it's going nowhere, dude. Tornado comes, going nowhere. Hurricane, nowhere. Volcano, no sir. Shark attack, it's staying. Enough about this mouse pad. I love it. Pick it up today.